with the checkbox list. Here we'll overview repeater data, we'll add icon, we'll add column and repeater, then on-click interaction to select checkbox, and then finally contact list. So let's start. Here we have this demo page. Now we need to add checkbox here. So we'll drag and drop this ellipse and we'll make as 22. We'll make border color and then we'll place here. Select this background, control select this, and then middle align. This make little space. Now right click, name it, right click, select style effect, select it, image, select checkbox, and then open. Okay, and now we'll give interaction to hotspot. We'll drag and drop. Now this hotspot, we need to give the interaction. Click or tab, set selected checked, type here checkbox, so toggle. Okay, now we'll preview. So it is working fine. The next step, if we want to give by default selected, so we'll come and we'll add column here, selected. One tips here, suppose if we have make selected this one, so what will be the result? This all will be selected because of repeater. But if we want to give a specific name as selected, so we need to create column here, selected, check, and now we need to add interaction. For that, enable case, add case, checkbox selection, add logic, if value of item dot selected check equal to value true. Okay, set selected checked, type checkbox true. Okay, now so we'll remove this selected and we'll see. So here, why this space is coming? Because of this hotspot. We'll keep here hotspot and we'll go to style and we'll see selected checkbox. We need to make it true. True, and then no effect. What is missing? We'll see. So this condition should be true. Now here we'll place this. Now we'll preview. So Achilles is by default selected, and then we can select and toggle. So one more style, we'll add name, mobile number, and we'll make true. We'll preview. So here Achilles and Jaya is selected. So now we can select, deselect, we can toggle it. So in lesson 8 we learn repeater data, checkbox, and we have added column in repeater as a selected and on click interactions to select checkbox, and finally contact list.